how to change the language of any YouTube video that you are watching. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change the YouTube audio language if it is available in different languages in YouTube. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our YouTube application by tapping onto the app icon like this, and I already have this video playing. So if I play this, you can see that currently the language is in English, but I can change it to Hindi by simply going to the settings gear icon, and then from here I'm gonna go to audio track, and within audio track I can choose any other language, for example let's say Hindi, and now you can see or hear that the language has been successfully changed. So that's how easily you can change the language of any YouTube video. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.